Friday night in Memphis, I met a man at the bar. He was sipping on his whiskey and smoking his cigar. He was telling all the stories about how he got his scars. Yes, some from love, but mostly from the war. There's so much stories to be told, but son, I'm getting old. No, no, 'cause who would tell the story when I'm gone? In a lullaby or in a country song. There's so much stories to be told, and some will be forgotten, and some had to go. Hear people telling stories on the streets down in LA and on the boulevard. 'Cause every country singer is a storyteller now, with his now damn guitar. Who will tell the story when I'm gone? You gotta be tough and you gotta be strong. Will I make you laugh? Will I make you cry? You tell the story, son, when I die. Yeah, we will tell the story when you're gone. In a book, sing it in a song. And sometimes it's hard to tell, but I promise, sir, I'll tell it from the heart. 'Cause who will tell the story when I'm gone? In a book or sing it in a song. Will it make you laugh? Will it make you cry? You tell the story, son, when I